Hi guys, Steph here. Right, who remembers this pen from my recent pen haul? There we go. Yes, what we've got is a lovely Esterbrook fountain pen in quite nice condition, just needs a little bit of TLC. And after that TLC, the pen is now ready to go. This one was reserved by a gentleman, subject to restoration, and it's finished and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. What we've got for you is the Esterbrook J, the standard size, capped. It's 128 millimeters in diameter. I'll start again. It's 128 millimeters capped. The diameter is a nice 12 millimeters in diameter. If I look over the camera and try and find, there we go, I think it's there. It's got a nice barrel imprint somewhere. A little bit difficult to see. I think there it is, I think. And what it reads, nice and simple, it's got Esterbrook made in England. Okay, I hope that's clear. So it's an Esterbrook made in England. It doesn't have the sort of registered R in the circle, which indicates that this one is an earlier model. And when I say earlier model, I'm dating it sort of, well, from 1948 through to 1952, because in 1952 you can see the lever there. Okay, actually changed. This is what we term as a fishtail lever, and then in 1952 it became what they term as a spade lever. So this is the earlier lever, as you can see there. This one is a double jewel, as you can see, 2 jewels to each side, smaller one and a slightly larger one to the cap. Okay, you can see it's got this silver cap band to the bottom, the very recognizable Esterbrook clip, as you can see there, and as we just mentioned, the jewels to the both sides. Excuse me. Now this one, I believe the colour is what they term as a foilage green, or the foilage green pearl colour. Absolutely lovely. And as I said, it's been fully restored, new sack installed, everything has been thoroughly cleaned. So let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles. These Esterbrook pens, absolutely superb. They come in many different colours. Great pens to collect again, and collect all the different colours as well. You can see it's got quite a smallish section there, and as with most of these pens, most of them have steel nibs. And the nice thing about these nibs, they're actually, well, you can actually replace them. They're actually called renew point nib units, which mean that you just simply, okay, you can just simply unscrew them, as you see there. You can get a nib which is still available to your liking. Okay, but this one has actually got a very nice nib on it. Okay, so there's a nib for you, and can I see over the top? Yeah, it's got the Esterbrook 2314 M relief made in USA nib, and the 2314 medium, nice and simple, means that this is a medium stub nib. There's the feed underneath. Okay, all is lovely and clean. As I said, a lovely, handsome fountain pen. I'm sure the new owner will enjoy this pen for many years to come. But just to show you, let's do I'm not going to fill it again because we've got a new sack. The new owner can fill it with his favourite ink. But what we've got for you is an Esterbrook J series. Okay, and this one's the standard size. I'm dating the pen from sort of 1948 through to 1952. Writing very nicely indeed. Okay, and you can see there it's got quite a broad line, hence the stub nib, but writing very nicely indeed. Okay, so let's give that a little bit of a wipe. We'll clean that nib before it goes off to the new owner. But I've shown you Esterbrook pens before, but again, this one deserves a review, I think. In gorgeous condition, again in this lovely foilage green pearl colour. So there we have it. For you people who have not seen the Esterbrook's, have a look at the Esterbrook pens. They make superb everyday writers. You can change. There are new point nib units. They're still available. So all in all, great pens to collect, great pens to use as well. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment. As I'm always saying, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you don't, no problem. Oh, just noticed I've got a bit of ink on my finger. Subscribe to the channel as well. But I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me in this gorgeous Esterbrook. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.